How to change spending limits on Instagram ads. So if you want to change the spending limit on Instagram ads, then first you need to open up your Instagram application. Once you open up your Instagram, now go for the profile, which is on the bottom right. And after going to your profile, now go for the upper right, which has that three bat icon. And here you will have an option of order and payments. Tap on order and payments. And under this, here you will have payment methods, right? So simply tap on the payment method. And under payment method, if you have any payment methods, then you can simply remove that payment method or delete that payment method and add another payment method. So simply tap on add payment method, and then you can choose credit or debit card, PayPal, ShopPay, or any other options if you have here. So simply add a new payment method and your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can change your spending limit on Instagram ads. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.